Currently, we are in the middle of our program. However, the Sunny Park Weather Service and the Sunny Lane Weather Service have issued a tornado warning for both Sunny Park and Sunny Lane until 9:30 a.m. tomorrow morning. At 6:30 p.m. Sunny local time, the Doppler radar from the Sunny Park Weather Service and the Sunny Lane Weather Service indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Linton, approximately 30 miles southeast of Terre Haute, and is moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Additionally, train spotters reported a rotating wall cloud at Sunny Park at 6:30 p.m. SLP. This storm has a history of producing ping-pong-sized hail. Locations affected by this warning include both Sunny Park and Sunny Lane. If you are in
This is an update. I repeat, this is an update. This is important. The tornado warning for both Sunny Park and Sunny Lane neighborhoods. There is currently no tornado warning in effect. We are working to address the technical issue that caused this misinformation. Patient 7 is actively fixing a glitch that occurred today. We appreciate your patience during this time. Please remain calm, and we will return to regular programming. Please stay quiet. We have control of the scale. A serious tornado warning is now in effect for the areas of Sunny Park and Sunny Lane. This is not a harmless threat. This is not a joke. Please be sheltered immediately to stay safe.
Good morning, Sunny Lane and Sunny Park. I'm here with a very important announcement about the tornado warning that has been issued by the Sunny Park Weather Service and the Sunny Lane Weather Service. Currently, we have been hinted about a tornado warning basically approaching your area. However, we did confirm it was basically a hoax until it wasn't. A very huge blood red tornado has been hidden at the Sunny Lane area and the Sunny Park area, spinning 1,000 degrees per second. If you are in these areas, please take shelter immediately. We thank you for your continued trust in supporting Station 7. We finally now resume regular programming until further notice has been updated. Thank you and have a nice day.